How do you fix a circular reference in Excel? Imagine you're trying to build a simple budget sheet, but suddenly Excel shows an error message about a circular reference. It can be confusing at first, but fixing it is easier than you think. A circular reference happens when a formula refers back to its own cell, either directly or through other cells. This creates an endless loop, making Excel struggle to calculate the correct value. When this occurs, Excel usually displays a warning or shows a message in the status bar. To fix this, start by locating the problem. Go to the Formulas tab on the ribbon, then click on Error Checking. From the drop-down, select Circular References. Excel will list the cells involved in the circular reference. Clicking on one of these cells will take you directly to the problematic formula. Once you're there, look at the formula in that cell. Check if it refers to itself or to other cells that eventually lead back to it. For example, if cell A1 has a formula that adds cell B1, and cell B1 has a formula that adds cell A1, you have a circular reference. To fix it, you need to change the formula so it no longer refers back to itself or creates a loop. You might do this by removing the reference or restructuring your calculations. For instance, instead of adding A1 and B1 in both cells, you could calculate one of them separately and then use that value in the other formula. Another helpful tool is Trace Precedence and Trace Dependence, found in the Formulas tab. These tools visually show you which cells affect or are affected by the current cell. It helps you understand how the circular reference is forming. If you intentionally want to create a circular reference for iterative calculations, you can enable this feature. Go to File, then Options, and select Formulas. Check the box next to Enable Iterative Calculation. You can set the maximum number of iterations and the maximum change to control how precise the calculation is. Keep in mind, this can slow down your workbook and sometimes give unexpected results if not used carefully. In summary, fixing a circular reference involves finding the problematic cell through error checking, understanding how the formulas depend on each other with auditing tools, and then adjusting the formulas to remove the loop. If needed, you can turn on iterative calculations for specific purposes. Knowing how to handle these references is an important part of mastering Excel and making sure your formulas work correctly. It helps you build more reliable spreadsheets and prevents errors from disrupting your data analysis.